It is only a tiny rosebud, a flower of God's design. But I cannot unfold the petals with these clumsy hands of mine. The secret of unfolding flowers is not known to such as I. God opens this flower so sweetly when in my hands they fade and die. If I cannot unfold a rosebud, this flower of God's design, then how can I think I have wisdom to unfold this life of mine? So I will trust in Him for His leading each moment of every day. I will look to Him for His guidance each step of the pilgrim's way. The pathway that lies before me, only may Allah in the heavens knows. I will trust Him to unfold the moments just as He unfolds a rose.